In this video, we are going to talk about how we can import any of Divi layout in Divi library and then use it as your home page or landing page. First, you need to install Divi theme on your website. Then click on Divi library and go to the import and export section. Select the JSON file of your layout and upload it. Once the file is uploaded, you can edit it on front end. Click on Web Agency Layout, then click on Build on Front End option. On live website, it will take few time, depends on your internet connection and hosting provider. In this way, you can easily import any of TV layout and then assign that layout to specific page. In next step, we will assign or upload this web agency layout to our home page. For this purpose, you need to go to your home page and enable Divi Visual Builder to load it from Divi library where we imported this layout. Click on your save layout and upload the web agency layout on your home page. Okay, it's started. It's importing the layout to our home page. It will take a few seconds to import it on our page. If you want to change anything visually, you can change it from here. Then click on Save button, which is available on the bottom right side of the screen, and exit the Visual Builder. That's all for today. Thank you for. Please make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. You will be get notified when I upload my next video.